items may have moved. There are toilets at both.
I am in Barcelona. Random trip. My friend, she lives here. She lives just up there. Said, you can come stay whenever you want. So I looked at flights. Flights to Barcelona and back were cheaper for me to come here than go to London on train. So I thought I'd take 4 days. I think we're here for 4 days. Take a little trip and see, an experience and adventure. No mountains here. Well, maybe only inside, but none on the beach. But just look at this, like. It's not a bad way to spend a Sunday. I think it's about 15 degrees, but it feels warmer than that. Peaceful. Yeah. Nice. Let's go get some coffee. Have a morning coffee and just strolling along the beach. No plans to go anywhere or do anything, just walking. So I might see how far I walk before I get tired. But look at this. Flights cost me £75, that was it. And I'm here. Can't complain. So I'm here for another 3 days. This is nice. It's very peaceful. Sat on the harbour wall. I'm just missing another cup of coffee now. And sunglasses. Clear waters. Good morning. Not a bad morning to start the coffee. It's day 2, I think. And it's a beautiful day. Not sure what I'm going to do, walking along the beach. Think I might take a trip to Barcelona, like a city centre. Because at the moment I'm in Secluded de Calafate, I think. So we'll see where I take you next. Look at this up. So I borrowed my friend's scooter. So I'm going to go down the coast now and try and find a secluded beach or something. Good morning. Found this nice secluded spot. Just took the scooter about 3 miles up the coast. I think I'm in Cunit. C-U-N-I-T. Cunit. Oh, look at this. I'm not sure if it's warm enough to go in. I'm not sure. Not bad. In fact, I actually forgot to bring a towel. But look at this. So that's the end of this trip, boys and girls. It's been an amazing couple of days, and I'm just enjoying the last sunset. Look at that. It's been a good few days. Bye.